At first glance, money feels stable. If you earn a certain amount today, it seems like that money should hold the same value tomorrow, next year, or even 10 years from now. But when people look back over time, they often notice something surprising. The same amount of money buys less than it used to. Prices rise. Everyday expenses become more expensive. And slowly, the purchasing power of money begins to decline. This process is known as inflation, and it is one of the main reasons money keeps losing value over time. Inflation happens when the general level of prices in an economy increases. When prices rise, each unit of currency buys fewer goods and services than before. In other words, the money itself has not changed, but what it can buy has. There are several forces behind this process, and they work together in complex ways. One of the biggest reasons is the expansion of the money supply. In modern economies, most currencies are not backed by physical commodities like gold. Instead, they are part of what is known as a fiat system, where money is created and managed by central banks and governments. When new money is introduced into the economy, whether through lending systems, financial stimulus, or monetary policies, the total supply of money increases. If the amount of money grows faster than the amount of goods and services being produced, prices tend to rise. More money begins chasing the same level of production, which pushes prices upward. Another factor is economic growth itself. As economies expand, demand for goods, services, and resources usually grows as well. Businesses raise wages to attract workers, raw materials become more expensive, and companies adjust prices to cover rising costs. These adjustments gradually feed into the broader price level across the economy. There is also the role of expectations. When businesses and consumers expect prices to rise in the future, they often change their behavior in ways that reinforce inflation. Workers may ask for higher wages to keep up with expected price increases. Companies may raise prices early to protect their profit margins. These actions can create a cycle where expectations of inflation contribute to inflation itself. Over long periods of time, small increases in prices can have a powerful effect. A steady inflation rate of just a few percent per year may not feel dramatic in the short term, but over decades, the difference becomes clear. The cost of housing, transportation, education, and everyday goods gradually moves higher, while the same amount of money buys less and less. For policymakers, moderate inflation is often considered part of a functioning economy. A small level of inflation can encourage spending and investment. If people believe prices will slowly rise in the future, they may be more willing to use their money today rather than holding on to it indefinitely. This movement of money helps maintain economic activity. However, inflation becomes problematic when it grows too quickly or becomes unpredictable. Rapid inflation can erode savings, create uncertainty for businesses, and reduce the stability of financial systems. In extreme cases, currencies can lose credibility if their value declines too rapidly. Another important aspect of inflation is that it does not affect everyone equally. Some people may see their incomes rise alongside inflation, while others may experience rising costs without the same increase in earnings. Asset owners may benefit when the prices of investments and property increase, while individuals holding mostly cash may see the real value of their savings decline over time. Because of these dynamics, the gradual loss of money's purchasing power has become a normal feature of modern economic systems. Money itself does not disappear, but its real value, what it can actually buy, changes continuously as the economy evolves. In the end, the value of money is not fixed. It shifts with supply, demand, productivity, and the policies that guide the financial system. And over time, these forces slowly reshape what money is truly worth.